friends, welcome to Sanjay Surve Maths Academy YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to learn the next topic from the quadratic equation. The name of the topic is that nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, and how can we decide the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. We know that the root of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The root of the quadratic equations are like this: x is equal to negative b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. So by the value of b square minus 4ac, from the value of the b square minus 4ac, we decide the nature of the root of this quadratic equation. If first condition, if this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means the value of b square minus 4ac is a positive. Every positive number is always greater than 0, means when the value of this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of the given quadratic equation, then the roots are real number. The roots are real number and they are unequal. Unequal means they are different. वेगवेगळे या ठिकाणी असतात, unequal. When the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the nature of the root is like this: the roots are real numbers and they are unequal. The second possibility is that if here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, not less than 0 or not more than 0, then the root of this quadratic equation in which the value of this b square minus 4ac is like this, the roots are equal, real number. Note that real number and they are equal. Equal म्हणजे याचा अर्थ आहे सेम येतात, या ठिकाणी सारखेच येतात, या ठिकाणी इक्वल दोन्ही रूट. आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड आपण या ठिकाणी कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथडने या ठिकाणी बघितलेलं असेल, किंवा त्या ठिकाणी आपण फॉर्म्युला मेथडने एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केले. त्यावेळेस एक एक्झाम्पल असे येते की त्यामध्ये b स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0. त्यावेळेस आपल्याला रूट सारखेच भेटतात, इक्वल असतात. थर्ड कंडिशन इज दॅट if the value of this b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means this b square minus 4ac is a negative number. B square minus 4ac is a negative number, then the root of the quadratic equation, then the roots of the quadratic equations are not real number, not real number. का नाही रियल नंबर, आपण एक्सप्लेनेशन याचं बघूया या ठिकाणी. ओके, तर या ठिकाणी स्क्वेअर ऑफ 3 इज इक्वल टू 9. वी नो दॅट द स्क्वेअर ऑफ 3 इज 9. हेन्स द स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 9 इज 3. वी कॅन से हियर द स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 9 इज पॉझिटिव्ह 3 और नेगेटिव्ह 3. पॉझिटिव्ह 3 और नेगेटिव्ह 3. Suppose again the square of the 7 is a 49, hence the square root of the 49 is positive or negative 7. On the other hand side, the square of positive 3 is a 9 here, and also here the square of the negative 3 is also 9, positive 9. Note this. Here also the square of positive 7 is a positive 49 and the square of the negative 7 is a positive 49. म्हणजे प्रत्येक नंबर जो आहे निगेटिव्ह नंबर, त्याचा जो स्क्वेअर आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह येतो. या ठिकाणी असा कुठलाच नंबर नाही की त्याचा स्क्वेअर निगेटिव्ह येतो. म्हणजेच आता या ठिकाणी आपण असा या ठिकाणी स्क्वेअर रूट फाइंड आउट करता येणार नाही आपल्याला. या ठिकाणी निगेटिव्ह अंडर रूट ऑफ 49 जर असेल तर हा जो 49 आहे, मायनस 49 आहे, निगेटिव्ह 49 आहे, तो कोणाचाही स्क्वेअर नाही. पॉझिटिव्ह 7 चा स्क्वेअर 49, निगेटिव्ह 7 चा स्क्वेअर इज ऑल्सो 49. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी स्क्वेअर जो आहे पॉझिटिव्ह नंबरचा पॉझिटिव्ह येतो आणि निगेटिव्ह नंबरचा सुद्धा पॉझिटिव्ह येतो. कुठल्याच नंबरचा स्क्वेअर हा निगेटिव्ह येणार नाही. त्यामुळे कुठल्याही निगेटिव्ह नंबरचं स्क्वेअर रूट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करता येणार नाही, म्हणजे तो नॉट रिअल नंबर आहे. म्हणजे हा जो काही आहे, ही जी काही व्हॅल्यू आहे, ही व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी रिअल नंबरच्या सेट मध्ये येत नाही. हे इज नॉट रिअल नंबर. ही नंबर सिस्टीम जी आहे आपली, त्या नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये आपल्याला ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे अंडर रूट ऑफ 49 ही आपल्या या ठिकाणी रिअल नंबरच्या सेट मध्ये नाही. त्यामुळे आपण या ठिकाणी फक्त आन्सर म्हणणार या ठिकाणी की द रूट्स आर नॉट रिअल नंबर. इन द हायर स्टडी मीन्स 11th and 12th class we will get here the square root of such a number. These numbers are called as the complex numbers. म्हणजे ते आपल्याला पुढे नेक्स्ट सिलेबस मध्ये आहे. Now the example from the practice set 2.4. The second question is find the value of the discriminant and the equation is given x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. First of all compare this equation, comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get here the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to -1. By comparing this equation, given equation with this standard form, so we will get here the values of a, b and c. Now b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. This b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. Hence find the value of this b square minus 4ac by substituting the values in this term. B means 7 square minus 4 into a into -1 is equal to the square of this number is a 49. This negative and this negative becomes positive. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So we get here 53 as the value of the discriminant. This discriminant is also called as the delta. Sometimes it is also note that this is called as the delta. In this way we find out the value of the discriminant. In the third example, the second example is like this. Now I am taking the third example. Third example is root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Again compare this equation by comparing with the standard form. By comparing with standard form means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called as the standard form. We get here the values of a as a under root of 2, the value of b is equal to 4 and the value of c is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, now this b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. So b square minus 4ac, substitute the values. Square of 4 minus 4 into under root of 2 into the value of c is a 2 root 2. All the values are substituted in this b square minus 4ac. Now simplify this, so we will get here 16 minus, now this 4 multiplied by 2 becomes 8, multiplied by root 2 into root 2 becomes only 2. Root 2 into root 2 will becomes only 2. So we get here 16 minus 8 to the 16 and hence the value of the discriminant is a 0. Hence the value of the discriminant is 0 and this discriminant is denoted by the letter. This is the alphabet from the Greek alphabet delta. Delta is equal to 0. Now the third question from this problem set is like this. Determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. And the first equation is given x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to decide here the nature of the roots. How are the roots? How can we decide from the discriminant, from the value of the discriminant? B square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. Now first of all we find the value of the discriminant. Now compare this equation, by comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. we get here the values of A as a 1, B as a -4 and C is equal to 1. Now find the value of the discriminant, that is also denoted by delta, that is also called b square minus 4ac. So let us find the value of this b square minus 4ac is equal to b square of -4 minus 4 into value of A into value of C. So we get here square of negative number, that will be positive. 4 ones are 4. So we get here the value of the discriminant is a 12. Now note this 12 is a positive number. This 12 is a positive number. It is greater than 0. Now here the value of the discriminant is greater than 0, and when the value of the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots of that quadratic equations are, if the value of this delta is greater than 0, then the roots of that quadratic equations are real numbers and unequal. So we can write here the roots are real number and these are unequal, real number as well as they are unequal. In this way we decided here the nature of the root. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय करायचं आहे, तर प्रिव्हियस एक्झाम्पल क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मध्ये बघितलं आपण की फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द डिस्क्रिमिनंट. त्याच पद्धतीने आपण सेम प्रोसेस करायची आहे, बट वी हॅव टू डिसाइड हियर द रूट्स. हाउ कॅन वी डिसाइड? इफ डेल्टा इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 देन द रूट्स आर रियल अँड अनइक्वल. If delta is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if the value of delta is negative, then the roots are not real number. This is called as the root. This is called as the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Now in this equation, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Let us find the value of b square minus 4ac. For this, we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get here a is equal to 2, b is equal to -7 and c is equal to 2. So find the value of the discriminant. It is denoted by delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. Square of -7 minus 4 into 2 into 2. The values of a and c are substituted here. So we get here 49 as the square of -7 and minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So carry out this subtraction. Here we get 33. We get here 33. Again this 33 is a positive number like this. This delta is greater than 0. Hence the roots are real number and unequal. In this way we decided here the nature of the root. These are very simple example. The third example, m square plus 2m plus 9. Compare this equation with the standard form A, m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. We get here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Now find the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value. Square of 2 minus 4 into 1 into 9. The square of 2 is a 4 minus 4 9s are 36. Now 4 minus 36 gives the answer -32. Note this, 4 minus 36 becomes -32. Now the value of this delta is negative, means it is less than 0, and we know that when the value of delta is greater than 0, then the roots are, hence the roots are not real numbers. when the value of the discriminant is less than 0, means it is negative, then the roots are not real. In the previous example, we got here the values of delta as positive, hence the roots are real and unequal. Now the third condition is that when the value of delta exactly 0, not less than 0 or not more than 0, then that time the roots are real number, but the roots are real number and they are equal. When the value of delta is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. अशा पद्धतीने आपण या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्व केलेला आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3 सिमिलर आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मध्ये आपण बघितलं होतं की फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द डिस्क्रिमिनंट ओनली, इथपर्यंत आपण या ठिकाणी केलेलं होतं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन जो आहे त्या थर्ड क्वेश्चन मध्ये सांगितलंय की डिटरमाइन द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स, म्हणजे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी या b² - 4ac त्याला डिस्क्रिमिनंट म्हणतो आपण, त्याची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायचीच आहे आणि पुढे त्या ठिकाणी त्यांच्या व्हॅल्यूवरून आपल्याला कन्क्लुजन काढायचं आहे. आपल्याला त्याचं नेचर जे आहे ते नेचर डिसाइड करायचं आहे, वेदर द रूट्स आर रियल अँड इक्वल, real and unequal or not real. In this way we solved here the question number 2 and question number 3 from the problem set 2.4. The next question from 2.5, practice set 2.5, question number 7, example number 7. Find the value of k if the roots of the equations are real and unequal. The equation is given like this: 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. First compare this equation with ax square by comparing this equation with ax square, ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here the variable y is given in the example, hence I am using here the variable y. We get here the value of a is equal to 3, b is equal to k and the value of c is equal to 12. Now find the value of delta, that is called as the discriminant b² - 4ac is equal to square of b. The value of b is k, hence square of k minus 4 into a. The value of a is 3 multiplied the value of c, that is 12. So we get here delta is equal to this b² - 4ac is called as delta is equal to k square minus 4 3s are 12 and 12 12s are 144. 12 are 144. Now here the roots are but the roots are real and equal, that is given. Roots are real number as well as they are equal. When it is possible, when will be the roots are real and equal? When the value of delta is 0. When the value of delta is 0, then the roots of that quadratic equations are real and unequal. It means याचा अर्थ काय होतो? It means delta is equal to 0. It means that roots are real and equal आहेत. याचा जो अर्थ आहे, मीनिंग आहे, तो मीनिंग काय आहे की डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी 0 असली पाहिजे. डेल्टा मस्ट बी 0, otherwise we will not get real and equal roots. So we conclude that the value of delta is equal to 0. Now put the value of delta is equal to 0 in this equation. So we get here like this is equal to 0 is equal to k square minus 144. K square minus 144. So transpose this negative 144 on this left hand side. So we get here positive 144 is equal to k square. Taking the square root on both sides, we get here square root on both sides. The square root of this number is a positive 12 as well as negative 12 is equal to k. So we get here two values of k. First value is a positive 12 and the second value is a negative 12. So these are the values of the. So in this way I completed today the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.